Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. In this video, I like to share with you my simple hands-on activities to teach my phonics class kids the difference between where and where words in a sentence, okay, where to use them. So as I've mentioned in my last video, I've just made it together in a single file folder, the days of the week, practicing the days of the week also. So I'll give that link of that video in the description box. So to know the difference between where and where, I've just made simple sentence. First I've just stuck a paper and written the details, the rules of that where and where. Okay, so where will we use it, that is it refers to a place. Okay, so in that cases we use this where, W-H-E-R-E, and this where is usually in a past tense. So first person plural of be is we, so we were, okay, we were standing. So second person plural of be, that is you were standing. Okay, then third person plural of be, so they were standing. Okay, and then sometimes it is past subjunctive of be, that is if I were you, I wouldn't have done this. Okay, like that it will come. So these are the simple rules which we'll teach the kids when the class is going on. Okay, we'll teach them with simple sentences, and then after that I've just prepared some slips, okay, like this, and then I have stuck some magnetic strip also, a small magnetic strip here. Okay, so the child will read this, blank is my book. So it is a question mark, so it is asking a question. So this where or where, so then the child will know. So, and I've just cut a snowman piece like this, and I've written this where here. So where is my book? Okay, so the child will keep like this, and then keep this strip aside and take another strip. So they blank singing. Okay, so they were singing. So it is the past tense. Okay, so third person, and it is third person plural. Okay, so they were singing, so the child will keep this where. Here also I have just stuck a magnetic strip so that it will stick to this. Okay, so this is they were singing. Okay, so the next one is blank are the cats. So where are the cats? It is a question. So this W-H-E-R-E, when it mentions a place, usually it comes in a question format. Okay, so the child will be easy. So I think the child won't get confused with this where. The problem is in this where only. So if it is not a question, if it is a statement, then the child will know that this is this W-E-R-E. Okay, so like that, when you practice them, give them practice like this, they will be aware. So which where to use. So we blank eating. So we were eating. The child knows that this is not a question, but this is a statement. So we were eating. Okay, so child will keep like this. So like this I have prepared many strips like this. So I have also prepared some cutouts also. So the child will use all these. So you can even give them one by one and make them to read. This will be very interesting for them to do it. So instead of just writing, as I told you, just writing and making them to write as a fill-ups or just teaching them to by heart it, you can do these hands-on activities to make the kids get interested in knowing the grammar rules very easily. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.